Girl, you better can cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I'll tell you what each ingredient is as I go along and how much of each ingredient I'll use. So I'll start by using a half cup of unsalted butter and it's at room temperature. I'm adding here a third cup of granulated sugar and 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Now I'm just going to mix everything together with my hand mixer. And you want to ensure that you are using soft sugar and your butter is also at room temperature, just so it's easier for you to get a nice cream-like consistency, just like this. And this will only take you just a few minutes. Then you just want to, scrape the sides of the bowl and everything like that and ensure that you have just a nice cream just like this. Very nice and soft, well creamed. So next I'm going to go in with just 1.5 cups of the oatmeal. Next I'm going to add to this a half teaspoon of baking soda, salt and cinnamon powder. Next I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to add in 1 egg. And I'm going to add a cup of flour, but I'm going to run it through my strainer. Okay, so that's nice and lovely so far. I'll be using my hand to combine everything, but you can always use a spoon or a spatula. But just before I forget, I have 1 cup of chocolate chips here. I'm going to be adding in 3/4 of it because I'm going to save the rest to top off my cookies. Then I'm going to use my hand and I'm just going to ensure that everything is nice and combined. You can always use a spatula, a wooden spoon, a spoon. The process shouldn't take you too long, about 3 to 4 minutes, and you have a nice dough with everything combined, and the dough should be a little sticky. Just like this one here, and I'm using an ice cream scoop just to form my cookies, but you can always use your hand to roll your cookie dough into some nice circles. And I'm going to place these on my baking tray on top of some parchment paper. And I'm only going to be making 5 of these right now because my tray is small and I need spaces between these about 1 inch wide. I'm just giving them some space between each other, just so they don't stick to each other when they're baking. Now I'm going to use the back of my scoop and I'm just going to press these down just a little to get them nice and flat. But I want to maintain that nice circle shape, that nice circular shape. I'm going to be adding on the chocolate chips that I left over from the 1 cup that I had in the beginning. Now this step is 100% optional. You can just add these all in from the get-go, but I like the look that it gives when you have the chocolate chips on top. Do you agree? So I'm just going to add them on top, press them down just a little. And that's about it. I'm going to be baking these for only 11 minutes at 350 degrees, and voila, here they are after 11 minutes. They're nice and soft and hot right now, so you want to leave these to cool down for a few minutes. Can you see how nice and perfect the shape is? And here they are, nice and cool. They are soft and crispy on the outside and nice and mushy on the inside. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notifications on. Until next video.